Fix KB5060533 fails to install in Windows 10. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows Update Troubleshooter is a built-in system that detects and automatically resolves difficulties with Windows updates. It works by examining system settings, configurations, and components to detect and resolve issues that prevent updates from installing. Fix 2. Temporarily disable security app and firewall. Fix 3. Temporary pause and unpause the update. A minor issue may halt the update process, but pausing and resuming it can typically get things back on track with little effort. Fix 4. Ensure necessary services are set to automatic. Certain services must be running for Windows Update to function effectively. Setting these services to automatic can help with installation problems. If that didn't work, Fix 5. Reset Windows Update Components. Resetting Windows Update components can fix recurring update issues by clearing the cache, update history, and all associated services. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.